Okay, I have little bit docs inside of my docs wallet, okay, in the Telegram. So now I will transfer it into Binance, okay, because Binance has listed it. So now how you can do it, I'm showing you. So click on this little bit hover over white white options in the docs point slash wallet. Click on there, and here we click on this choose another option, and here we click actions, and here is Binance, up to 20,000 docs on TGA. You can get couple of giveaway if you do deposit on Binance. Couple of options you have, so I choose Binance, and here is click yes I have. So Binance UID, we need docs, deposit address, and memo. So where you will find everything, you will find everything inside of the Binance. So I'm going to go Binance for getting this type of informations that they need. So here is a little bit information I need. I'm come back information. So here is, you are noticing that I'm a millionaire in here. So just kidding with you. So click on this wallet. So, and here is find out the going to this spot, and here is I'm going to find out that search bar. So click the search bar right and by docs. Okay, so if it is not showed up, couple of minutes later it will be showed up. Okay, because I'm just so fast way come into there here for getting it. Okay, so quite few minutes later you will get this docs deposit, because Binance did list. Okay, therefore it has showed up in here. Okay, so what you need to do, Binance UID, why you will found Binance UID, you will found it in here. So click on this set option, and here is your Binance UID. So copy this successfully. Now we need the docs, address, and memo. Okay, so for that I need to wait. Okay, so it was the update. So check out description box for getting more viral airdrop. So come into here.